We are here today to celebrate the graduation of our first cohort of the Higher Diploma in Politics and Society, and it is a fantastic day for Carlow College staff who have been working on this for the last 3 years. So today we celebrated our students. We were thankful for the time that they have given to us and how they have enriched the Carlow College community.
Hi, my name is Katrina Fox-Murray, and today I graduated from SETU Carlow. I attended Carlow College St Patrick's for the Higher Diploma in Politics and Society. I'm initially a qualified teacher and then I worked as an accountant, and on returning to teaching I decided to do this course to be able to teach Politics and Society to Leaving Cert level. So I'm delighted to get this far today and to have my diploma finally in my hand. So it's a great day, and thanks to everybody at Carlow College St Patrick's and SETU.
My name is Nicola Brennan and I've just graduated with a Higher Diploma in Arts and Politics and Society. So delighted to finally have the piece of paper, and it's just lovely as a kind of a testament to all the work that went into it and all of my classmates and everything as well. It's just a really nice day to celebrate.
Applications for the Higher Diploma in Politics and Society are now open. For our January intake, visit www.carlowcollege.ie for more information.